tell me, have you spoken to him much since this? And, how does he feel about having you appointed counsel?
I've talked to him a couple times. In fact, I just left the jail here, and I have spoken with him a couple times. He's comfortable with me. I've been doing this for 20 years. And so, of course, it's early on in the case, so we've got to really kind of investigate all the information that I've received from the DA. Of course, a lot of information is going to continue to come in. So the case is going to evolve. Not exactly sure where it's going to go, but it's going to be a long case.
Also, Drummond asked about his girlfriend and the restraining order. You entered that in.
Right.
So is that to do with him wanting to speak to Caitlin, or?
Yeah, that's his girlfriend, and the restraining order is a blanket order restricting him from talking to basically anybody who's related to that family, and of course she is. So talking to the judge, he wants to hear a little bit more information about everything, and of course if she wants to speak with him, she's going to need to go talk to the judge and tell him that she wants the restraining order lifted, at least as to her.
Yeah, I understand. And then, do you know if she's concerned about the pregnancy? Has she wanted to talk to Drummond about that, Austin, about that?
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not sure on the details of that, but.
Okay, great. And then also, do you have any more information just in regards to like how he's doing? I know he did ask twice now for a speedy trial.
Right. With the speedy trial, obviously we want to take the trial as fast as possible, but we certainly want to be ready. So we want to thoroughly investigate the case to be able to be prepared to defend the case. He's holding up pretty well under the circumstances. Of course, they're keeping him separate, for obvious reasons, especially because it's a capital case.
And tell me again where he's being held.
He's obviously we're in Lake County today, but he's being held in Obion County.
Obion County.
Yeah.
All right. Thank you, sir. And can you just spell your first and last?